Welcome back to our channel. So today we got these two slimes, purple and blue. So today we're going to be opening them and playing with them. But before we do that, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, and
ring that bell.
So let's get started. Okay guys, let's open it. Which one is for you and which one's for me? Oh, okay, I'll get the purple. Let's open it. And this is Jiggly slime.
This is Jiggly too. You
want
can
to
grab
open
it and you can slime it and wiggle it around like a jelly.
Yes, you can.
Wow.
Look at guys.
Look at mine.
Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Jiggle, jiggle. Now mine. I need to open it. Is it sticky?
No, it's not sticky.
Lisa, look. Oh my gosh. Alright, here's mine. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Okay. Nope. Let's take it out of the container now. Okay, let's get it out now.
Let's mix them.
No. I don't want to mix it. So jiggly.
Look at my slime.
I'm gonna try to make a bubble. Maybe with probably with jiggly slime it won't make a bubble, but like.
Look, it's so wobbly.
Oh, did you hear that? Guys, it's so jiggly.
Whoa. Did you see that noise it makes?
Let's try and make a big bubble. Okay. My slime's oh, look at that.
Whoa, look at that. Wow. Look how.
This is so fun to play with.
Yeah, it's so much fun.
Let's see how stretchy they are.
Oh, look at mine. It's
Whoa.
stretchy. Wub, 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 wub.
It looks like it's gonna stick on the table.
Wow.
It's ooey gooey.
Wow, look at mine. It's so wobbly.
Guys,
Wiggle,
look.
wiggle.
You better hear this noise. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Did you see that jiggle?
Did you see that jiggle? Look, it's wiggling like a jelly.
Jiggle, 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 jiggle.
Jiggle, 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 jiggle.
I'm trying to stretch it as far as I can.
Whoa! Look at our slime!
Guys, look how stretchy
Let's stick together with it.
this is. Okay, wait, get a piece because I don't want to do it all. Get a piece
Get a piece.
of your slime.
Oh, I got a little piece.
Almost dropped it down. Like this big. Here, let me do it for you. Whoa. Yours feels warm. Mine feels cold. His hands are powerful. They make. Am I nice? Okay. Ready? Mix it. Oh, I don't think they'll stick together because they're jiggly. Wait. Wait, let me try first. Try
Hey!
to jiggle it in. Let's see. Whoa, you guys, look.
Let's
Have to
what?
turn the-
Look at what happened! Look at my blue. It's so warm. Wow! Who thinks it's better?
Who do you think is better, you guys?
Yeah!
Oh, yours.
Yeah!
Look at this, you guys. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's so
It got 100 pounds to weigh this there. Then click that bell. Then
No, the
then
video's
get
not
some
over yet.
slime.
silly.
When the slime gets out, when our hands invisible.
Guys, this is so pretty. It looks like a marble.
How about all of them?
What do we do? I'm gonna try to make a smiley face.
I'm trying to make a smiley face on my face. Look, it got dirt. Ew. Got dirt.
What is that? Let me.
Look it up. Ew, it's so dirty. It's a girl.
Oh my gosh. This is so funny, you guys. No, don't put it in my slime.
Ew. Now look at my slime. So pretty. And
Wow.
squish it on and lift it up.
You guys, if you had a laugh, then give us a big thumbs up with this.
Then ring that bell on the subscribe button.
Oh, Kino! Don't waste all your slime on this small one. Guys. Alright guys, this is it for this video. If you liked it, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, and
Ring that bell.
so see you on Gooey next time.
Then ring that. Whoa.